where this knight to the rim of the board, which is usually, strategically speaking, is not the greatest place to move your knight.
Because, you know, if your knight's shoved against the edge, it's boxed in.
And the knight could be taken. And people said, what is it, the younger? Yeah.
Ukraine's president the National Parks Authority has since struck a deal with landowners to pay them to allow wild camping in some areas. Castle Ashford owns Farsley Common.
Those sorts of things that will be picked up after an irresponsible few, shall we say. That's become my job. The rangers can't get there. And, you know,
Cautionary Tales is a production of Pushkin Industries. Like the show, please remember to rate, share and review. If you want to hear the show ad-free and listen to exclusive Cautionary Tales shorts, sign up for Pushkin Plus on the show page of Apple Podcasts or pushkin.fm/plus.
In 1.2 miles, at the roundabout, take the full exit towards Southampton.
People, right? And they could be lurking in your bedroom about to give you AIDS without you knowing. So that was the sort of scaremongering that was happening around that. And what it led to partly was also weird messaging about AIDS to bisexual men. So one of the things that I was especially finding in my own research as well on the Anything That Moves archive, which is that magazine in San Francisco that was active during that exact time.
Right, let's have a look at your...